we are looking at how to pronounce this name of Italian origin both in Italian and in English, as the two pronunciations differ. This was the name of a famous, in history, Italian mathematician. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian, in Italy, this would normally be pronounced as Tartaglia, Tartaglia. However, in the US in particular, and in English in general, this name is generally said as Tartaglia, Tartaglia. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names, Italian names in particular, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Arrivederci, ciao ciao.